This tier list was compiled based on my experience of consuming caffeinated drinks over the last 3 years, but with current prices. Since this is a long time period, it is not very reliable. Donate to me this caption caffeine and I will do tastings and tier list right down the stream of everything I can buy and how much drinks will suffice with this money. Rating criteria: amount of caffeine, the rest of the composition, flavor. The higher the better. I decided to make two versions, with and without price, as it is too important a factor influencing their perception. The first, priceless list. That's the bottom, the next one's a little better. It may not be bad, but because of the composition I will never take it again. I really didn't like it, but want more. Interesting flavors what I think are worth trying, but I personally don't want to drink this anymore. This is where we jump around a bit for a better understanding. Flash up is essentially the reference bottom, previously the cheapest and most common. So what's here is what matches it among other things, and what's below that is complete disaster, and which is at least slightly better than Flash up. A little better than Flash up, something that's definitely better than Flash up, and here we get picture like this. I'm showing it in one piece for better understanding. Then a few categories of drinks that are worth of full evaluation in ascending order. C, C+, B, B+, A, A+, S. And so we come to the very top. The S plus category opens the prizes. Up next, several variations of the Red Bull. Even higher in the original Adrenaline Rush. Above is the classic Red Bull. The big winner is the original Black Monster. And that's what the whole list looks like. The second with price list. This time the very bottom reveals the worst of the worst. Above is a similar bottom to previous list. After that a little better and even better. Composition moment again. Very expensive, but all in all, if you really want it bad enough, you can have it. I wouldn't, just because it's very expensive, but maybe I'd still probably take it. Something that's terribly expensive, but if I had the money to spare, I might take it. What follows are 3 categories worse than Flash Up, also similar to the past list. The Flash Up himself and its peer reviewers. What's better than Flash Up? Again, the section of drinks worthy of attention and research in ascending order. The top of the price list is opened by these 2 drinks. Above that is Tornado Watermelon, and above that Tornado Cactus. And the top for the price turns out to be Tornado Iceberry. And this is what the full list looks like. That's all. I wish you not to have the need to drink such things. If you don't need to drink it with pleasure and the greatest positive effect. For anyone wondering what else I could have stuffed in, here is a bonus. These are the images of the jars I have in my room right now. I started collecting them the day I accidentally started a kind of marathon that resulted in drinking 118 cans in 118 days. Sometimes later it seemed to be not such a cool idea and I started to leave only those cans that I did not have. And I will continue to collect them, like scars, disease, rotting in this room, around it, until I can say a word. Fuck this world.